Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is a review of the Force Professional Toolkit. It's a 46 piece toolkit with a 1/4 inch socket set drive, and it's made in Taiwan. The model number is 2462, and the first thing you notice about this box when you get it in your hand is the quality of the plastic that is used to make the box. It's very good quality and also very durable. Once you open the box, you see these 22 pieces of screwdriver bits on the top portion of this toolkit. These include the hex, Phillips, flathead and Torx bits. Now on the bottom portion you can see a variety of things. Firstly, we'll start with this Allen key set. We get 4 Allen keys. The sizes are 1.27, 1.5, 2 and 2.5 mm. And these are used for a variety of things, mostly to remove small Allen bolts which hold on the panels on most of the bikes and cars. And next we'll see this socket over here. The biggest socket is 14 mm. The top is shiny and the bottom is matte finish. And then we'll see one more socket which is a 6 mm. Now this one, as you can see, most of the all the parts over here are the part numbers are mentioned on the part itself, and the force logo is embedded into all the parts. This is a swivel joint over here, and this is used, it's also called a universal joint. It is used in applications where you cannot reach the bolt properly, or you don't have enough space to turn the extension bar. So that was also of very good quality. Next, you can see this extension bar over here. It has the Force logo and is also a matte finish. Next, you have a slightly bigger, I think 5-inch extension bar. This also has a part number and the Force logo on it. And this is a screwdriver handle over here, which is also a 1/4 inch, and you can attach any of the bits onto it. And the main attraction over here is this Ratchet set. It's a 1/4 inch Ratchet set which has a rubberized grip at the end of it. It has the Force logo on it and is black and red color. The metal part is again a satin finish or a matte finish, and you can see this is the switch. You can hear the sound of the switch and also the mechanism inside when you turn it. Turning it anti-clockwise, it has a very clicky and strong clicky sound. Now I'm turning it again clockwise. So this button, what it does is it locks the socket onto this driver head when you put in any socket or bit. Now next thing you see, this is a flexible extension bar. This is the longest extension bar in this socket kit, and this is the T handle. This is used when you need more torque or you need more force to open or tighten a bolt which is stuck. This is also matte finish, and you have the branding and the part number on it. So guys, this was a very quick review of this socket set. Before I go, I will just show you how we plug in or attach any of these sockets to the ratchet. Now the ratchet and the socket are fixed and they do not come out. Now if you can switch it anti-clockwise and clockwise, but when you put it in the middle, it just moves freely. There is no tension in this socket set. Yeah, so that's about it guys. I will if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. I will answer your questions, and thanks for watching. Hope this helped you, and see you in the next one.